Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is Jesus, the true vine. When Jesus declares himself the true vine, he reveals that all spiritual life, growth, and fruitfulness come from union with him. Israel was often pictured as a vine that failed to bear fruit, but Jesus stands as the faithful and life-giving source his people can depend on. Those connected to him receive sustaining grace that enables genuine obedience, sustaining grace that in endurance and transformation. So ayon po sa John chapter 15 verse 5, am the divine, you are the branches. If you remain in me and I in you, you will bear much fruit. Apart from me, you can do nothing. So ayon po sa ating katuruan, Jesus is the source of life. Pinanggagalingan ng buhay, spiritual life, strength, joy, at purpose. So si Jesus lahat ang pinanggagalingan. Parang ugat ng puno, siya ang nagbibigay ng sustansya. Kung wala siya, walang tunay na buhay na nagmumula sa atin. We are nothing apart from Jesus. Hiwalay kay Jesus, wala tayong magagawa na may eternal value. Kahit gaano tayo katalino o kasipag, kung wala si Kristo, empty at powerless pa rin. Sabi nga sa John 15, ang sanga ay hiwalay na puno, ay natutuyo. Next is, discipleship is a vital blood connection. So, ang pagiging disciple ay hindi lang attendance sa church, ito ay malalim at buhay na relasyon parang dugo na dumadaloy sa katawan. Ibig sabihin, ang buhay ni Jesus ang dapat dumadaloy sa ating buhay, sa isip at salita at gawa. And sa applications naman, remain as a branch in the vine. So, manatili kay Jesus araw-araw through prayer, word of God, obedience at dependence sa Kanya. Huwag tayong kumalas kahit may trials, kahit hindi tayo nakakuha ng lakas. Next is live as a disciple to prove your connection. Makikita kung connected tayo kay Jesus sa pamumuhay natin. Kung tunay kang disciple, lalabas ito. Paano ka magmahal? Paano ka magpatawad? Paano ka mamuhay? Ng may integrity. Hindi lang salita, kundi lifestyle. And last is bear fruit, love, and joy for the glory of God. So, ang resulta ng pagiging connected kay Jesus ay bunga, hindi stress at bitterness, kundi love and joy. So, ayun lang po. Maraming salamat.